Were you using the 13/16s?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Let's see, what is it, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The headlight is fully functional. We don't have our headlight clamp. I'll look through my spares at the house. Kevin will look through and see if he's got something. And if not, we'll keep looking. We'll order. Batteries installed, wires are strapped down neatly. Our electrical system is fully operational. New rear tire is installed. And the bike is coming together nicely. I ran the wire down to the place where they have the oil pressure sender. That's ready. And everything up here works. So just let's turn on the ignition and show you some lights. Okay, ignition on. And on. Horn. Parking. Light. High and low beam. And the whole time we have tail light back here. And the brake switch is operational. So we have a fully functioning electrical system on the bike now. And close up the primary, a few other odds and ends. We got some parts on order, and the bike is coming along very nicely. All right, let's see what time is it. It's 3:15. We've got the bike turned around and front wheel coming off, and we're just getting ready to pull the axle out. And I thought I'd show you the type of stuff we run into all the time. People put these on with chisels. Put them on, take them off. They don't have a socket that fits it, so they chisel the heck out of them, and then we get to clean them up. So we got the socket that we need. Let's see if we can get this off, and then we'll grind the sharp edges and clean it out and save it, or maybe even replace it. I don't know. It's just, this is the kind of thing we run into working on old bikes. Just butchery, and don't have the right wrench, use a pair of slip joint pliers, vice grips. If it's you don't have the right bolt, a metric bolt can almost fit. If you use a big cheater bar, you can get that sucker in there. And that's just some of the fun things. I thought before we got that nut off, I thought I'd just show that to you. And the fun just never stops.